I could eat this pasta and sardine salad every day. It is colorful, refreshing, flavorful, and absolutely delicious. I already prepped all my ingredients beforehand, so let's get started. To a bowl, add cooked pasta. I'm using pasta made from lentils. Feel free to use any pasta of choice. And I'll add cooked black beans. Add sweet corn, bell pepper mix which I cut into very small pieces. Add chopped tomato and a mix of black and green olives which I cut into halves. At this point, add sardines. I'm using sardines in olive oil. Add parsley. I'm using dried parsley, but you can also use fresh ones. And for some kick, I'm adding chili flakes. Add salt. White pepper. And freshly ground black pepper. To finish off our salad, I would add just a bit of extra virgin olive oil. Mix together until well combined. Thank you to all my subscribers. And if you're new here, please join the family. We share lots of yummy recipes made with love. And enjoy! Thank you so much for watching the video if you've watched until this point. And until next time, remain blessed.